Welcome back to another vlog. We are in Greenpoint and I just went to Rhythm Zero, got some coffee, and we're doing another apartment vlog. It is Saturday today, so we are gonna hit up some furniture stores, but I have major living room updates that I'm really excited to share with y'all. I ordered like little things on Amazon that I can also show you guys. We are running to this new store in Greenpoint. It's called Finny Stella. It looks like this. And I actually popped into it on Monday and I was like, I will be back. You will see me here definitely like sometime this week. So we're back. They had amazing things and hopefully we can find some stuff for the apartment. Oh, also we got bar stools. I can give you guys a whole living room dining slash bar stool update slash what we're still working on. I feel like everything is coming together and it's getting really exciting. So now every weekend it's just making lots of progress on the apartment. As you guys know, y'all are along for the ride. So let's pop into the store, see if they have some good stuff. Okay, so basically we went to the store that I was just telling y'all about and they had already moved everything like right next door, and then they made half of it, no, like 3/4 of it was just vintage clothes. And I'm like, wait, where did all of the furniture go? So I don't know how that they did that so quickly, but they moved everything into a different spot. So I was like, okay, never mind. And then it started storming really, really bad. And now we are in the city. We're gonna go to Crate and we're just gonna get some silverware. We've been here so much the past 2 weeks, but we're gonna get silverware and then maybe something else. I don't know, but we still don't have silverware. We have like plates and bowls, which is good. So we're making progress. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. I'm getting ready to meet my friend in Soho and we're gonna go, I think there's like a little Mad Happy pop-up, and then we're gonna like hop around and shop around today. And it's pretty nasty and cold outside, so I broke out a jacket today, which I'm like, I'm not over summer. I really don't want it to be over yet, but I wanted to show y'all some living room updates because this is so exciting and we finally have furniture and it just is starting to feel so homey and I want to show y'all. So here is the living room currently. So big update, we got bar stools, we got an accent chair, we got a rug, we got a coffee table, and I just feel like this room is finally just looking so much better. An update on the couch. You guys know from the last vlog, or sorry, from 2 vlogs ago, we ordered a West Elm couch, the Haven in the Java colorway, and they said that they were gonna ship it in October. But we got an email yesterday saying that now it's not gonna be delivered until February 2026. So we were gonna order a different couch, and then we changed our minds to the Haven because the lead time was shorter. And now they're quoting the same lead time as the other couch. And I'm just like, and they won't let us cancel the order, which is great. So I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know, I guess we just have to wait for the couch because we both really, really want it. And I feel like in this room, just a nice pop of color with the couch is gonna look so good. Like right now I feel like this is all blending very nicely with the colorways, but I just feel like it needs a statement in here. So we might just wait until February and then keep the current couch that we have because it's not bad, but I think just to tie this whole room together, let me show you guys from this angle. It just looks so good with the bar stools and then all the colors in here. I did add like a few coffee table books and my Loewe candle that I got in Paris. And then just some flowers. I actually bought these from Trader Joe's like as soon as we got this furniture delivery, and then I realized they are not tall enough. So these are gonna change. But we still haven't put the TV on the wall because we're just testing it out. I put the TV over there and we're so far loving it, but I just don't want the room to look a little bit awkward. Like, what do you guys think? If this is up here and it's hanging off a little bit on the sides, is that gonna look weird? It's a frame TV, so I could obviously put on like one of the screens of it to like look like an art piece, but I'm just nervous that it's just gonna hang off the wall a little bit. And we did get a smaller TV, so that's the 50-inch, but our plan is to not go any smaller than that because we do, I don't know, we just want the kitchen to have like somewhere if guests come over, we can all like watch a game or like listen to music. Like right now I just have on like a YouTube playlist. I do that all the time, especially in the mornings, like when I'm drinking my coffee. But guys, I sat in this chair today and it's a swivel. So I just turned it to the view and I was just drinking my coffee on my computer and it was such a vibe. So I just feel like this room is looking so good and it just makes me so excited. Like it just feels more homey, and we obviously want to put something up here. We're working on the banquette. We tried to do that last night. And again, the lead times, and we're just not finding anything perfect to go right here because this has to be 48 inches and it can't be any bigger than that. So we're still searching, we're on the hunt. But I feel like once we have the banquette in that corner and then something over here, maybe a plant or like one of those draping lights. And then I was looking at a nice chandelier to hang right here and just make this room so homey and just make it feel really, really nice. I'm gonna do some curtains up there with just like some nice linen drapes. And then I feel like this room will be completed, which is really exciting. Just to show y'all a little more details, this is a marble coffee table. I love the legs. They are, I'll show you from this side. They're very cool. And then the boucle chair, it has brown and white. And I just love all the textures together. I've been taking a lot of inspiration from our travels, and I've just been noticing a lot of textures and contrasts. And I've also been noticing that every piece, whether it's in a hotel or just in a restaurant where I'm loving the interiors, I noticed that every single piece is a statement. And I think that all three of these are a statement piece. So gonna keep doing that. And these just tie in really nicely with the black. Oh, and then I do have a haul from Crate & Barrel yesterday. And then I got this from Amazon. It's just an organizer, but I have one now. This drawer is very messy right now, but this is a silver one. I wanna change it out. But I'm nervous that this silver organizer is actually bigger than this one. Like it will hold more. So I don't know, I do want to change to the wood and organize. But yesterday we just got a bunch of silverware. And then we also ordered a knife set from Crate & Barrel, but they're shipping that to us because they didn't have it in stock. And then, oh, this is really cool. So when I get home after hanging out with my friend, I'm probably just gonna organize our new silverware because this is so much fun to me. Yeah, this is so pretty. I love these. They're really nice and heavy too. And we'll have these for a while. So we got a 20-piece set, and then we also got the serving set because it matched the texture on the handle. I don't know if it's picking it up. So we got that, and then there is one more update that I want to show y'all. This one I'm excited about. It was just a little Amazon update, but I feel like it brings together the bathroom. So when you walk into the guest bathroom, I put this on the wall this morning. So this is the Loewe soap, and it's just a little soap holder, and I just feel like it changes the whole bathroom. It's just like such a big update for me. The soap was on the counter, but every time you want to open this mirror, it obviously would get in the way. I am still working on finding some hardware to hold some hand towels. I did order some from Amazon, but I don't like them. I actually have like a whole pile of returns to Amazon here, which I need to do today, but the hand towel holders are in that pile and I just am not loving what I bought. So I'm going back to the drawing board on that. Last night we were looking at wallpaper and I didn't realize how expensive wallpaper is because the website that I was on last night was telling me how much this wallpaper was by the yard, and it said it was $72. So I was like, okay. So I was calculating how much wallpaper we would need, and it turns out I would need 40 something yards of wallpaper. So 72 times 40. I actually think the number was even bigger than that, but I was just like, wait, it seems like it's affordable, or like it seems like it's cheaper because they tell you how much it is by the yard, but in the grand scheme of it and in the total at the end, I was like, okay, wait a minute. Then my fiance was helping me calculate and like look at other websites because sometimes they give you more in a roll at different places. I think just this website that I was on maybe was more expensive because I feel like I have very expensive taste. But we went to a different website and we were like, okay, this one could work. So we're like finding our alternatives of different one, like they're all kind of similar, like they're all a texture, they're all natural. I need to leave like right now. But anyways, so we're trying to figure that out for the primary bedroom, and we don't have any updates in the primary bedroom yet just because we've been focusing on the living room. And I feel like every vlog, it's interesting that we're focusing on a different room without intentionally doing that. And I've just been noticing that like when I'm filming, I'm like, wow, we are actually focusing on different rooms each week, which is really good, but we're just trying to make as much progress, and I want to keep you guys updated every single weekend on everything that we get. But anyways, those are all of the updates. I'm gonna head out to Soho, hang out with my girlfriend, and then come back, and then we can organize that drawer, which will be so much fun. And then I get to the knives and they don't fit and I can't remove this, so I'm gonna need a new plan. I might just have to use the silver one and like reorganize that and put it back in here. I assumed that the wood would have worked, but I guess it's back to the silver tray instead. Sadly, I really wanted the wood one to work, so maybe I will exchange it on Amazon for a different one, or just put everything into the silver tray. So subscribe, check out the next vlog to see how I update the forks and knives because I have to run. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.